people should just get out of my life. That's what I want. I just try and do music.
Yeah.
That's all I've been doing. I don't know why people have to hate me. Because I'm saying I'm a number one moon. I'm saying I'm a kumbirashi. But Zimbabweans hate me. And I know that for a fact. I know friends that I hang with that hate me. But I talk with them because at the end of the day, I need to talk with someone.
Right.
Look at Andrindega in my house and everything, you know.
It's okay.
So all this that is happening, you asked me if I still love my wife. I said yes. I'm saying yes because I'm trying to think there's hope. But the honest truth is that I'm hurt. This has never, I've been married before. My wife wronged me and I wronged her, but no one knows about it. Not even my mother knows